Hello friends. I am Himadri. I have more than 12 years of experience in software development and testing. I have worked in different startup and MNC companies throughout my career. I love to share my knowledge with others and contribute to open source project. Thank you for connecting with us. Hope you are doing well. Let's start our today's session. In this video we will see how to install Android SDK Manager and how to set up platform tool path to set up the ADB. In order to install the Android SDK Manager, you need Android Studio installed in your system. Now let's check how to install Android SDK Manager. First you need to open the Android Studio and select Configure. Once you click on Configure you will get multiple options to choose. Please choose SDK Manager. Now choose different API version for different Android versions. Now click on OK. Once you click on OK it will prompt you to confirm once again. Now wait for download to be finished. Once it is downloaded click on Finish. As you can see here, it has been downloaded and now installing the SDK. You can see the SDK path here. Now let's see how to set up the platform tools path to set up the ADB. Search for settings and click on settings. Once settings is open search with env and you will get two options. Please select edit the system environment variable. Once it is open click on environment variable. Now click on New to add the platform tools path here. Generally the default path for platform tools is c:\users\user whitespace name /appdata/local/android/SDK/platform-tools. Once the path is set open the command prompt and type ADB. Now your setup is ready. You can run all ADB commands. With this, we have completed our today's session. I will see you in the next video. I hope you are enjoying our videos. Don't forget to share your success stories with us. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. You can check our other website as well. We have features like YouTube Trends, Twitter Trends, Scientific Calculator, and many more other tools. If you like our video, please like, comment and share. If you have any questions, please comment and we will resolve your query.